My name is Nur Atika and I will explain about the application of remote sensing and GIS in agriculture sector with the case study about rice crop monitoring using multi-rotor UAV and RGB digital camera at early stage of growth. So what is GIS? GIS is one of the widely used technology in agriculture, and it has a system that made up of computer software, hardware, data analytics, and user who works together to solve real-world problems by using location-based data. GIS tool and application allow the gathering, analysis, and interpretation of relevant data and information at any time. To continue, GIS also has ground-based system like GPS, airborne platform like manned or unmanned aerial vehicle or also known as drones, and space-borne platform like commercial satellites that can provide GIS data, image, and also maps. So we move to remote sensing technology. So remote sensing is used to detect the radiation on the ground and also can track everything from physical properties to the quantity of heat that emitted from the certain region. There are two key types of maps that use remote sensing technology, which are RGB maps and NDVI maps. Drones in agriculture. Drone in agriculture can be used to optimize a farm based on a wide range by giving a picture of data about the status of crops, fields, and livestock as well as spray pesticides. This drone widely used in Kedah especially to spray the herbicide or pesticides to their paddy field. Several tools that use in drone technology. First is GIS, GPS, remote sensing, VRT, and also monitor. Function of drone that used in agriculture. Mostly they use for mapping and spraying. For the mapping, the drones come integrated with flight planning software, and they use GPS to determine when to take the image and snap picture automatically by using onboard sensors and the built-in camera. And for the crop dusting, or also known as spraying, the drones already created to carry tanks of fertilizer, pesticide, planting, and also seeding. We move to the case study. The case study is about the rice crop monitoring by using multi-rotor UAV and RGB digital camera at early stage of growth. So from this study, they will give a spatial analysis of paddy plot utilizing RGB imagery at an early stage in order to improve the management system. The purpose of this study is to monitor rice by using multi-rotor UAV and RGB digital camera, and the study located at Ladang Merdeka, Keter, Kelantan, Malaysia, and the multi-rotor UAV and RGB digital camera was used for image acquisitions. So for the result, figure 3 shows the uneven surface in the rice plot. The total uneven area is 7%, and the solution to this uneven area is to ensure that area is taken care for next planting season in order to producing more crops or yields. For the figure 4, it shows the water volume in rice plot, and the calculating the volume of water is needed for paddy development. This is to ensure the water level in optimum height, especially at uneven ground, which they require more water or less water. In this study, the uneven area need water around 3066 meter cube. So next is figure 5. It shows the water flow in the rice plot. This analysis is important to make sure the water flow is in good direction because the uneven ground will lead to the inconsistent of water level condition. In this study, the paddy fields has good direction of water flow. For the next figure is figure 6. It shows the profile of paddy plot. So the paddy plot can be determined by looking at the yellow line, where it is used to determine the differences in the ground surface. So from the research, they get the data that the elevation different from the first point to the last point is 0.12 meter and slope is 0.09 degree. In a conclusion, based on this finding, it is suggested that the rice condition needs to be monitored at all stages of the rice growth, and the RGB digital camera and multi-rotor UAV has successfully acquired imagery at 70 meters altitude and had a concrete effect in monitoring rice field in Kelantan based on this study. And next, for future research, The nutrient efficiency analysis should be carried out to verify the health of paddy plant by using multispectral image. That's all from me. Thank you.